Hello everyone, I'm Annie, the Asian news reporter. I will be delivering daily updates on the major developments in the Asian market. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you want to stay updated with the latest Asian news. You can also hit the icon to receive notifications whenever we release new content. Today, both A and Hong Kong Stock Index surged. A shares Chinese index rose over 2% and Hong Kong Tech Index gained 4%. Positive news continues as more financial institutions follow the August 21st and 22nd trend, announcing self-purchases of funds. On August 24th, more firms joined, with the 3-day public fund self-purchase amount reaching 1.3 billion yuan. Yesterday, Xin's active investments result in significant rebounds in both markets. Is Chinese stock guru none other than Xi? Joke aside, another report suggests Xiaomi has obtained car manufacturing qualifications, while Xiaomi hasn't commented. Insiders reveal the car factory is hiring, substantiating the rumor. As the saying goes, there's no smoke without fire. Lastly, the U.S. Commerce Secretary will visit China from August 27th to 30th. China's Commerce Ministry anticipates discussing economic and trade concerns, seeking practical cooperation and conflict resolution. And that's all for today. We'll continue tomorrow. Bye!